as information continued to emerge. Let's move on to all the stories. Let's turn attention now to Niger State, where 5 more victims of the tanker explosion in Esa community, Kacha local government area of Niger State, have died from severe burns sustained in the incident. Senior reporter Chineme Bamei reports that this brings the death toll to over 50. There is more in this report.
Since the tragic tanker explosion in Esa community and Kacha local government area, more families continue to mourn their loved ones. Over the weekend, relatives confirmed that 5 additional victims receiving treatment lost their lives. 3 at the University of Abuja Teaching Hospital in Gwagwalada and 2 at the University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital. Residents are calling on the government to fix the bad road linking Bida and Agaye, where several tanker accidents have occurred, to prevent further loss of lives.
So this federal way, no day is left out that it cannot claim lives. Millions of properties destroyed. Referring our patient to tertiary health centers become very dangerous because many of our patients died on the way.
So I'm speaking to you now. I've also, my elder sister, the same father, the same mom is also here. Yes, our 3 sisters are there in the hospital receiving treatment. My elder brother, the same father, the same mom again is also there receiving treatment. Yes.
Meanwhile, another fuel tanker accident was reported on Sunday morning along the Lapai-Lambata Road. The Niger State Emergency Management Agency says there were no casualties as the content of the tanker was safely recovered. Normal vehicular movement has since resumed on the route. Chineme Bamei, TVC News, Mina.
Chineme Bamei is in Mina and is joining us live on news from the state. Chineme, 50 lives. That's now the heartbreaking toll from Esa tanker explosion in Kacha local government area. Are we dealing with a case of avoidable deaths caused by infrastructural neglect?
Absolutely, Ibrahim. That's what we're dealing with, and it's quite unfortunate that this could have been averted, and it's recurring because, like I'd said in my previous report, that just last year I was there to cover a similar incident where over 50 persons died for the same avoidable reasons. And what we're hearing right now is because why this is making it to the news is because lives are involved, and then the number of lives involved is quite huge. But there is no day on that road that you don't find a falling truck, a falling tanker, on that same road. 2 days before this, the people had said a tanker carrying diesel fell on that road. Another tanker carrying granite oil also fell on that road. So these are like normal things happening on that road. It's quite unfortunate that portion of the road has been abandoned because that road is what was actually part of the NNPC tax credit roads that should be constructed through the NNPC tax credit scheme. Some portions have been fixed, but that particular portion has been left. There are no contractors on site, so you wouldn't say that maybe they're still trying to work. That's the unfortunate incident. When you go there right now, you still find trucks carrying perishable items that cannot move due to the bad road that has caused a gridlock in that place. You find trucks carrying other non-perishable items that fall. I mean, I saw the other day broken ceramics, stuck in one part of the road from a truck carrying them that fell. So these are beyond the lives that are going. We also have huge economic losses because of the neglect of that particular portion of the road.
That's actually an abnormal norm. But if you look at Bida Agaye Highway, they say it has been a death trap for years. So from a governance and accountability standpoint, what immediate and long-term steps have the Niger State government and Federal Ministry of Works taken to rehabilitate these critical roads, especially given that this corridor serves as a major petroleum haulage route for northern Nigeria?
Like I said before, that road was part of the road that should be constructed from the NNPC tax credit scheme that was abandoned. And I think it's a major neglect. The state government had said, the governor had said he was working with the Federal Ministry of Works to ensure that some of these roads are fixed, even though they are federal roads, because it's Niger Lights that use the roads, but that one wasn't part of it. You have some along the Mina Suleja Road, the Mina Bida Road. These are federal roads, and then the state government is investing in fixing them, but that one is not part of it. The governor visited the place some days ago and made some promises, to the people. We hope that some of these promises will come to fruition in the coming days.
Chineme Bamei, thank you.